have some past year question. Okay, 1 minus x over 2 is the binomial to the power of 12. Now, the question asks for the coefficient of x3 term. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the x3 term first. And then after that, when we obtain the x3 term, then we just use the coefficient of the x3 term as the answer. Okay. Now, one very important thing, you are looking for x to the power of 3 term. Remember in my earlier video, I always say that this number is always x3 term means it's actually should be the 4th term. Okay. As I explained earlier, this number, this power of the x term is always one term shorter than the actual term. So you have an experiment, you must find the 4th term. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use n CR A n minus r and then b r. Since this is the 4th term, so n is actually equal to 12. CR is the 4th term. Okay. Sorry. I made a mistake. This 4th term, then the r should be always be one term less. Okay. So this r is 3. A is actually 1. This 12 minus 3. B is actually minus. Remember the negative sign. If it's a positive sign, then it's you don't need to show. Don't need to show it. But if you have a negative sign, you must put it here. Now, so this 3. So to simplify, 12 times 11 times 10 over 3 times 2. Okay. Remember, if A, the A term in a binomial for the general equation, A is 2. If A is 1, then this thing is actually no matter how we will give you a 1. So actually you don't really need to write this if A is 1. Okay. But for the sake of the explanation, I will put it in. But in your actual working, you do not need to show this term. Okay, now, so D is actually equal to, remember this negative is an odd term, so the negative remains. So it's x3 over 8. Okay, let's simplify this. 3, 4, transfer this, and 2. Now, let's simplify this as well. 2, cancel 1. This 4 remain. Cancel 10. This got 5. This got 2. Okay. So you got remain here 5 times 11. So you got 55. And then you x cubed. Bear in mind, you have to put a Therefore, coefficient of x3 term is actually equal to minus 55. Okay. Now, let's look at the part 2. Okay, part 2. In order to obtain the coefficient of x3, let's look at the breakdown here. 1 plus 4x. To get the x3 term, the 1 must multiply the term with x3 in this expansion, this one. Okay, the x3 term from this. Then you got a 1 time the x3 term here. Okay. Beside that, you also, since this is 1, you need to find the x2 term in this binomial expansion here, and multiply together. That will also give you an x3 term. So you have to add both terms together, symbol having the x3 term. Okay. Now, so we already have the x3 term here. Okay, so we can just just put a negative. Negative 55 x3 term plus dot. Now, what about the term that is just before it, which is the x to the power of 2 term? Why we need that? Because we're going to multiply with the 4x term that will create another x3 term. So we have to do that. Now, to obtain the x2 term, basically you're looking at the third term. This fourth term create the x3 term. So the x3 term, the third term will create the x2 term. Okay. Now, so what you have to do is 12 C2. Then we're going to neglect the a here since it's 1, so we're going straight into the b term. The b term is minus x over 2, and then you square it. So this will be your x2 term. Now, it's 1 plus 4x plus this one is 66 times x squared over 4 minus 55 x3. Okay. Now, okay, due to short of time, I will continue this in the next video.